Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I will show you how you can make the first setup of this device. So the first, you have to turn on your device, you have to plug the cable to the electricity, and after that, when you find the Mi logo, below the Mi logo you can find power key. When you click on it once, you are going to turn on your TV. So wait a little bit. And as you can see right now, the TV is turned on. So we have to grab our remote control and we have to click two buttons at the same time, like right here on the screen, this one and this one, for a few seconds. Let's click and hold right now to pair our remote control with our TV. Keep holding, and as you can see, after a few moments we will be connected. And when you got this marker, we can simply release both keys. And right now we can go for the first setup. We can choose the language. I'm going to set up English. Here we can check the region. And right now we have to wait a little bit. Right now we can also make the quick setup with our Android smartphone. I make this video about the quick setup on our YouTube channel. So right now I'm going to skip this step and we are going to make the normal setup. Right now we are able to connect to the Wi-Fi network. I'm going to connect with this one. And right now we have to input the password. So you are navigate with arrows and with power key. Then if you want to confirm your password, you have to go right here and click OK button. As you can see, we are connected successfully. Right now we are able to sync in with our Google account. I'm going to make it right now. Input your email. You are navigating with arrows and the OK button. When you click and hold the OK button, you are able to open this kind of floating menu. Okay, it's not working. It's some kind of debugger because, as you can see, it's laggy a little bit. We got some kind of debug. Let's try to go back. Okay, if you have the same problem, just be patient and wait. Okay, we can try to replace the batteries. Okay. Right now something happened when I open this dock. Let's input our password again, our email. I'm going right now for normal numbers instead of holding the OK button here, and I'm going to choose the gmail.com because it's my account. Click OK to confirm. And next, just follow the same steps and we have to input the password. When you finish, you have to go below for this enter button. accept the terms of the service. We can activate location. We can also help to improve Android. Click continue for Google Assistant voice. Click continue again. We can turn on personal results, but if you don't want, you can go for the no thanks. Click continue again. Right now we are able to set up additional apps. I'm going to unselect Google Duo, 3D Mark, and these two apps. I'm going to continue right now. And when we keep tapping on the arrow, we are going forward, and we will be finally, after a few moments, in our TV. We can also make the channel scan. I'm going to skip this one because I'm not currently connected. Here we can agree the Xiaomi terms and conditions and also privacy. As you can see right now, we finally successfully set up our TV, so we can go to watch something or change other settings if you want. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.